No matter how organized we may be, time tends to slip away from us because life moves very fast. It's no surprise that many of us are always interested in shortcuts because we don't have much time to spend on learning a new skill. With all being made so good, these shortcuts do exist, and we can learn whatever we want to learn faster by taking advantage of a few actionable strategies. For you to use new information more effectively and get to easily remember something, one skill you must continue to develop is learning. Though you may have done it all your life, and it may not be something that's totally new to you, you can always enjoy the opportunity of being successful every time you learn something new, if you follow a systemic series of steps. And you do have the ability to learn anything faster if you've already learned things like sports, how to cook, a new language, how to drive a car, or any other relative thing. When you look at some of the skills you've learned before, you'll find out that you're not new to learning faster. And if you have done it in the past, even though you may not be conscious of how quickly you were able to pick up the skill, you can always learn to do it again. We can now have a firm grasp of how to hold on to information with the knowledge we derive from how our brain works and how we learn, all thanks to neuroscience. In fact, we can now speed up our learning process by making the most out of time. Yes, time is precious and learning does take time, but we must always strive to learn and grow, since it's a huge part of life to learn new things. Today, there are proven ways you can start learning faster. If you're someone who has the intention of becoming the smartest person in the room, by getting to know how to retain more and learn faster, this video course does help you explore tips on how to become a fast and smart learner with no stress attached.